FaceFusion is an open-source AI model tailored for facial swapping and enhancement in images and videos. It's commonly utilized to blend features from multiple faces, generating new face images or videos. Key features include advanced image synthesis, customization options, and fast processing. On Novita AI, you can simply deploy FaceFusion in just one click. Different options of frame processors, face debugger items, and swapper models are provided, and the only necessary actions are to upload source and target picture. There are a few parameters that can be altered, and you can refer to FaceFusion documents for more information. Novita AI not only provides you the convenient FaceFusion template, but also support you with stable cloud GPU infrastructure. You can now choose the template you like and easily deploy it on our GPU instance. If you have any ideas on our templates, feel free to leave them in the comment section. For more development instruction, you can refer to Novita AI document. Check all these on Novita AI.